Hi, and welcome to the Old Timer Centre. My name is Philip Tarrant, and today we have for you a very nice 2003 Audi Allroad. It's got the 2.7 litre turbo petrol engine, and it's in particularly good condition, this car. It's done just over 100,000 kilometres and has a very, very good service history to it indeed. It's got 2 remote keys to the car. It's done 101,000 kilometres to be exact. Obviously, being an all-road, it's quattro. These came standard with wood grain, xenon lights, climate control, and obviously cruise control. This one does have a sunroof also, which is an option. It's got the two-tone grey and black leather interior. It's great. It's a very good service centre indeed. Looks like it's got the original number plates from new, and this car has also got tinted windows, which is possibly why the interior is in such great condition. I've taken some photos with the cargo net up and the parcel tray at the back here. They usually tend to get lost over the years. It's got its spare in there as well. Nick inside and out. They were very expensive when they were new. With these Allroads, they're great value second hand, but you've really got to buy a good one. And sometimes that means spending a little bit extra on buying one with a great service history like this car. It's also got electric seats. It's been fitted with roller roof racks, which is great. So you can get add-ons to that if you want to put a canoe on the roof or whatever it may be, or your skis. They just clip on. It's even got headlight protectors, a bonnet protector. So it's a car which we think has really been loved and looked after. We've sold quite a few of these Allroads. However, we do look at quite a lot of them, and most of them, just unfortunately for us, aren't quite good enough for our showroom. But we were very happy when this came along. Spare keys, great books.